वंदे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनं युक्तं गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to Lotus feet. Tom Vishnupad Ashtotar Sat Sis Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Maharaj Nitla Priest Tom Vishnupad Ashtotar Sat Sis Bhakti Vedant Narayan Gosai Maharaj, all Sri Rupanuguru Vargas Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas. So we are hearing instructions of Sachinandan Gaur Hari gave to Rup Goswami Pad, that called Rup. When sadhak by sadhan coming to rati stage, bhav stage, asthai bhav level, then there too much function. That rati's function unlimited. Srila Bilva Mangal Thakur, all Karna Mirt, describe this rati's function. So we had Shanti, Avartha Kalatvam, Virakti, Manya Sunyata, आशावन समुदकंठा नाम गाने सदा रुचि, आसक्तिस्तद गुणाख्याने प्रीतिस्तद बस्त्यस्थले इत्यादि अनुभावा शिव जात भावांकुरे जने. This ninth symptom of bhav, whose heart arrive this bhav, manifest this bhav, this is special things. This only coming by mercy of Sambit and Haladni, together mix and coming to sattvas. Then becomes Sudh Sattva. Sudh Sattva Vises Atma Prem Surjansu Samabhak Ruchi Vistit Masirna Kirdaso Bhava Uchyate. Our Sattva is not now Suddha, our Sarupa is not Suddha. But when Bhav come, then Sudh Sattva means Sarupa has some anand, has some knowledge, has some satta, power, place, small, anu, no? But that is not enough to satisfy Radha Krishna. So sadhans, we are doing this all Sarvan Kirtan, then that transcendental mercy come, then these small Swarupas grow up That time no more anu, no small satta, that become one sarup, one body, transcendental. That can be das sak vasalya madhur. What in sadhan we are thinking, sadhane bhavive jaha siddhite, paive taha pakva pakka matra siddhite. What we are thinking in sadhan, whatever ruchi, whatever taste, sanskar, what we have, every jiva have sarup, no, on that manifest. That time become big. Aladni's mercy coming, Chit mercy coming, Sambit, then become big. So this Rati when come, that time sadhak situation different. Because Rati means another bhav samgri also mixing. And together many function, many, how many things come. Only whose heart this prem come, only they can realize. Who heart this Rati have, they only can realize. Because Rati is the prem's first stage. Prem Surjansu Samabhat. If Prema is sun, then Rati is ray of that Premas. Very close to that sunlight, that sun. So when this sthai bhav come, this called Rati, this not stay here, after bhav go to up. Asthai bhav going to Mahabhav level, that is Radharani has. Jiva cannot reach that. But that much rising, Asthai bhav. This all prem, saneh, man, prem, vriddhi, karma, saneh, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, hai, this all called Asthai bhav. So we are discussing first stage of prema, rati. प्रेमस्तु प्रथम अवस्था भाव इत्याभिधीयते सात्विका स्वल्प मात्रा शिव अस्त्र अश्रु पुलकादय. Sri Rupa Goswami was saying प्रेमस्तु प्रथम अवस्था, first stage of prema, that called bhav. There sattvic bhav mixing, like anubhav vibhav sattvic sanchari mix to asthai bhav. This all called bhav samgris. Then that time become ras, bhakti ras. So Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasa Sindhu too much explain about that. What is vibhav? Vibhav also two type, udipan and alamban. Udipan vibhav, alamban vibhav. Alamban is also two type, Visaya alamban, Asraya alamban. Means Asraya and Visaya, what called object and subject. And Udipan is many. Krishna's Naam, Gun, Roop, Leela, Kathas, Jamnas, Giriraj Govardhan, Vrindavan. Anything look Vrindavan, any creeper, any trees, any cuckoos, any parrot, any peacock, any peacock feather, this all Udipan, too much Udip. This Bhaktivinoda Thakur's know this bhajan, Radha Kunda Tata, Kunja Kutira, Govardhan Parvata, Jamuna Tira. This all Udipan Vibhav. In Ujjwal Nirmali and in Karnamrit, Bilvamangal Thakur so much telling about this all Vibhavs. There are all these 9 things. Karnamrit, one very sweet and very wonderful Granth. Mahaprabhu too much taste to that. Too much like this book. Mahaprabhu brought that from South India, Brahm Sanghita and Karnamrita. So there this all Bhav Samagris too much mixing and showing how this mix then ras coming. Not telling details which bhav, but mixing, but Rupa Goswami this all Bhav Samagris details telling. Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, Sanchari, in details everything telling. Because Rupa Goswami is Rasacharya. Or he is speaking ras not just verbally, no, he giving example, he giving no definition, paribhasa. Sacha aniyame niyam karini paribhasayam. Paribhasa means before people is speaking ras, but they no making any rule regulation of ras. Speaking bhakti katha, but how can be bhakti ras? This theory they not right. Or without theory anything's not proper, no? Because if any problem come, then you have no any proof, no? You can prove this is the theory, this is the formulas. Anything make then must be theory there. So Rupa Goswami's mercy of Sachinandan Gaur Hari, when Mahaprabhu teaching these all things, after he make theory, that is Bhakti Rasami Sindhu Ujjwal Nirmanis, no? How this work all things. So if we go to all this describe, then this, no, life and life never finish, ras never finish, no. As much describe that much increase. Unlimited. This ka Udhav, when looks this deity of Bhav, direct Sarup of Braj Gopis, Radhika Sarup, she's all together, no, Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, and this is like Sudipta. So saying, I learn in Shastra, in theory, but practically when you saw, then how that bhav, how that mood for Krishna, Udhav no giving any definition, no telling any sentence about that. His head is spin and saying this love, this bhav, like this. Like this means see Radharani and realize. Eta parang tanu bhrito bhubi gopa badhavo govindeva nikalatmani rudha bhava. Evam telling. That is last thing. Even beginning of prema, rati, this thing also cannot mention anyone, no? Because these all are, no, wonderful, swasambedya, self-realized. Bilva Mangal Thakur's, when Bhav stage came, what is feeling, what telling Karnamrita, who can realize? Who can explain? Just who have mercy of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Mercy of Rupa Goswami, mercy of Kaviraj Goswami. By them we can little understand, otherwise not. They can give these feelings transfer. So this 9 Anubhav, after we will hear, no, Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, Sanchari, these details later here, but first our discussion was this slok, Rupa Goswami's, no, Ityadaya Anubhava Sivu Jat Bhavang Pure Jane. Which heart bhav coming, then this Anubhav, 9 type Anubhav coming, realization. First Anubhav of Bhav Chanti. Big problem can come in life. Big disturbance, but not disturbed. That called Shanti. Who cannot disturb? Who have this bhav, rati level. Because we are coming Krishna bhajan, we have many things thinking Krishna do for me this, Krishna do for me that. Then I can do Krishna bhaktis. Our bhakti is not too much mix. If some desire not fulfilled or some problem come, then think, oh, what is Krishna? I'm too much chanting, too much doing bhakti, but still my life many problem coming. This happened, this lost, this died. Then we can stop bhakti, chalo. Any chob coming, then our faith, our belief go down. But who rati level, any chob, like Parikshit Maharaj, big chob, is Pandav's dynasty, one big position, no, he's king of Pandavans. And he got cars, one big problem, suddenly you getting this type cars, how much not disturbed, like my families, my dynasty, no one happened this type king, no one, anyone, example like me who did aparadh of rishi. I am that one person, this line, like Kulangar, I did this type mistake, this type aparadh. So too much disturbance. That time we forget to everything. But saying anyhow, this is the mercy of Krishna. I cannot live family life, I cannot live kingdom, but one is strong, no? De-attachment came, and now I have to go out. So he no become disturbed. He's saying, Krishna, you are so merciful for me. You love me, now I understand. When you protect me, that time I understand, maybe love or not love, but now I'm sure you love me, this is calling to me. Don't stay here, come to my place. You're giving me way, a strong heart, then strong bhajan. So it's big chob, but he not chob. Not disturbed, came to bank of Ganga, and Rishi Munis were surrounding him. Then he's saying, I'm very lucky. Aho bayam dhanya tama nirpanam. Before I think I am very low king, my low nature, low character, I am not good. But now I am realizing I am very good. My fortunate today so much rising because I did aparadh, but still many sadhus are lamenting for me. Maharaj, what you need, what you want, we can help you. This is very bad, very bad. I think I did Vaishnava aparadh, sadhu aparadh, then all Vaishnava can become my angest, no? This Raja is not good, this king is not good, don't go him, don't talk with him, don't make any relationship. But all are came to my place, are all thinking about me, so my life separate than another king's life. Many kings living body, that time surrounding by children, wife, mantris, and they too much pushing, Maharaj, this do, that do. Even living, before living many, no tension. You cannot happily live. But here all are surrounding me on Hari Kathas, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram. This way sadhu can chant for me, or some do this type Hari Kathas, then my life is success. So Parikshit Maharaj saying, don't think anything, what happened, happened. Now just one thing give me, a small time I little heard about Krishna Katha. After I become king, because very soon my grandfathers left, so they gave me this kingdom. Very young age I become king and too much busy. When Uddhav Maharaj came, he gave me darshan in Govardhan, Kusum Sarovar. There also he not allow me here Hari Katha. He said, you have so much responsibility. Take care, because now Kali Yuga is too much disturbed. So he stop this disturbance, then we can nicely do Krishna Katha. So Uddhav is speaking Krishna Katha, Bhagavatam, and all Dwarkas, Maharanis, Rukmini Sadbhama, they are hearing this that kathas. Vajranab, he hearing, he also king, but Parikshit Maharaj say, if you hear Hari Katha, I will take care. But he also feel unhappy, why not I hearing Hari Katha? Then Uddhav said, don't worry, for you, one Mahatma, one Paramahansa, Sukdev Goswami will come, he will speak about you. So you wait for that time. So now you have no time to hear Hari Katha, but they can hear. So saying that time I could not hear Hari Katha, but now I have 7 days, so tell me some Krishna Katha. Tamamopayantam pratijantu vipra ganga cha devim dhirtachitta mise dijup srasht kuhak tachakova dasad valam gayat vishnu gat. So speak. Tamamopayantam pratijantu ganga cha devim. Because I am very good position, good situation. I am sitting bank of Ganga. My heart is fully connecting to Krishna. Dhirtachittam mise. My mind not thinking to anything. Not thinking to family, not thinking to kingdom, not thinking to what can happen, because my kingdom I already gave to my son Janme Jay. So he will take care. So I have no any responsibility. I am free. So no responsibility, then my mind, my heart, my chit fully dhirta chitta mise. How level this type situation comes, this type stage come. Fully absorbed to Krishna. So my chit, mind is there, bank and many sadhus, bank of Ganga, many sadhus are surrounding to me, but speak Hari Katha. Krishna Katha. I am not tension to snake, Tachak. Tachak will come, I know. No one can stop. But okay, he come. Dijop Siraj Kuhak Tachakova. I know this Brahman Srap is Bag Bajra, like thunderbolt, no? This curse, no one can stop. He said, no, very strongly, Iti Langita Marjadam Tachak Satmyahani Dachanti Samakulangaram Chodito Mitata Duruham. Who disrespect to my father, that is Samikri's son, Sringi said, 7 days after, Tachak will bite him. So this one big tension, no? You sure, confirm 7 days after one snake come, on very dangerous snake. What to avoid, he just know, his mouth, fire just, mouth, air just know, breathe like what? Hints. He breathe, a breath can touch. This is like fire can burn. Tachak very dangerous. He like to revenge, from Arjun time. Because in Khandav 1, Arjun burned his whole family. He also came Karnas, Tarkas, Kupit, and sitting like one arrow on, this Sarpavan. Karna also don't know he's fighting on one, this arrow also used. But that time Krishna protect his chariot pushing to down on Karna's, Arjun's crown, touching that arrow and go off from his head and burn. That is a special crown made, too much their fragrance coming, and that's happened. So very, what call fire of that snake. So same snake become like dead body. And Parikshit Maharaj took on putting to Rishi's neck. But he no dead, he's alive, but he lay down like that. He like to revenge, his mind came something, and that time he's become like that. But this is one Leelas, this happened. So Parikshit Maharaj saying, I am not fear to that snake. Dijo Srishth Kuhak Tachakova. Tachak come, no problem. Dasad Balam, he will bite me. But Gayat Vishnu Gatha, Bhagavan's Nam Gun Lila Katha, so powerful. If hearing these kathas and chanting and doing bhajan, then automatically come out of ling sarir, out of what called Sthul sarir, You go to Suchma Sarir, your Sarupa. Ling means our body, our Sarupa is covered by mind, Chit, Ahankar. This is called Ling Sarir, Suchma Sarir. This one cover. Next cover, this Panchabhautik, this 5, Prithvi, air, water, no sky, this 5. That called Sthul Sarir. But Katha has power, Bhajan has power. When hearing and chanting, then you come out from there. So you are not more Sthul Sarir, no Ahankar to this Sarir, your Ahankar transcendental come. I am servant of Radhikas. I am friend of Krishna. What your relation? This Ahankar comes Sudh Ahankar. That Sudh Ahankar, that Sudh Sarup, snake cannot touch. He touch my this gross body. But my that Ahankar, which Ahankar thinking I am this body, that will change, convert. Ahankar stay, but one Ahankar, I am this body. One pride, I am this. Or another pride, I am servant of Radhika. So that pride very powerful. That is our Sarup pride. Radhika re dasi jadi hoy abhiman sigra milaye Gokul kan. So my pride, I am servant of Krishna. But in Brihad Bhagavatam, Sanatana Goswami is saying he is servant of Radhika's, Dasis. Atmanam Sattam Chinte Tasam Madhe Manoramam Rup Jauvan Sampanna Kisori Pramada Kriti. Already when Rati coming, that means a Sthai Bhav. And a Sthai Bhav means he already choice what he will, what he want, what he have Sarupa, what his Sanskar, what his Seva. He can see. But this thing he want to develop, go up and up, because by love, by prema, no one can satisfy. Radharani Mahabhav level, but is still not satisfied. How much she has position, no one can reach that much. Little people, little touching to that. Vrindavans, no, she look any insect, any grass, any cuckoos, any peacock, anyone, they have affection for Krishna, and she is saying, oh, you have too much love for Krishna. When I will get that much love? In Venu Gita you can see, no, she is saying, these all are very fortunate and we are unfortunate. This is nature of love, nature of prem, never satisfied. Dhanya sama mura matayu apihraneneta, purna pulindevru gaya padabjaraga. These all deers are very fortunate and this low caste ladies also very fortunate. So like this. So Parikshit Maharaj, this bhav want to go up on this only possible by Hari Katha, Sadhu Sang. कृष्ण नाम यही मात्र चाहिए संसार जीते और कोनो वस्तु नहीं. So when he's saying tell me Krishna Katha, but there are many yogis, jnanis, karmis, many came, they know some sadhan but don't know Krishna Katha, don't know bhakti sadhan, or if know then mix, don't know pure. So on idea telling you do this, you do this. Some came and say, Maharaj, do pranayam, pranayam paramam balam, like this, like jog do, dhyan do, this do. That time Sukdev Goswami, his heart realized, someone want to hear Krishna Katha. I am always myself just reciting Bhagavata slok, nigam kalpa taror galitam phalam sukha mukhad mirtadarva sanjutam. Pivata Bhagavatam Rasamalayang Muhurahu Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. But I could not find anyone who liked to directly drink pure Harikatha. This type customer very rare who like just pure Harikatha. Many customers can get, but saying don't give me pure, mix some, otherwise I cannot digest. Because this type we have no capacity, no strength. But one good Srotas, he also not small. Sukdev Goswami, how much got mercy of Radhikas. He is sitting rather on his hand and she giving her hand to him pomegranate and teaching so much about Krishna. Tell Sundar Twang Mama Mandire Basasi Tata Tata Runtasi Balitam Jatha Jatha Chakita Palai. O Sam Sundar, you are staying my heart temple, and where I run from you, escape from you, but I could not. Everywhere looking you and you and you. Front, behind, left, right, up, down, everywhere you are. So these all things teaching by Radhikas, this all love affection of Krishna. And this Parikshit Maharaj also, when his mother boomed, Krishna entered and protect him by Sudarshan Chakra, and by Gada. And also when he is small, then Krishna sometimes come Hastinapur and giving him many things, no? Cloth, this, that, also taking him lap and too much giving affection. So he also great. Also his grandmother of mother, no, Kunti, she is teaching, telling about Krishna, many things he heard. So from birth he have good sanskar, good relationship with Krishna. This is rare. So this step Parikshit want to hear Krishna Katha, and Sukdev Goswami also looking some good listener who won't just hear Hari Katha. Then my Katha be success. Because speaker and listener, same nature. Then very nicely, very Hari Katha coming. So Sukdev nature different, he is no left everything. Jam pravarjantam anupetam apeta krityam dvaipayano viraha kahata rajuha. From birth time he is no using anything, no one piece of cloth, no any attachment, no one thread, no jaggopavit like Avadut Paramhans. He just want to that after mercy of Vyasadev, his father is just sinking that Krishna Prem. Harer Gun Chipta Matir Bhagavan Badarayani, Adyagan Mahadakhanam Nityam Vishnum Janapriya. So his standard very high. Before he was Jnani. This is in Leela, but when hearing this Krishna's quality, Bharapidam Natvar Bapu, how he looks and how he is no, Aho Baki Jamastan Kala Kutam, like Putana, this type, bad ladies also can get mercy. Then saying, why I am running here, there? Krishna's nature supreme. Why not love to Krishna? Because I am so much thinking Aham Brahmasmi like this, but no one drop taste came. But when just remembering Krishna this quality, hair is standing, tears coming, all bhav coming. Just hearing like that. No? Touching this anything Krishna's relating, immediately become intoxicate. This is the power of Krishna's. Radharani, what to Krishna? If Radharani look one peacock feather, that feather not direct connected Krishna. One feather Krishna's head, one feather outside dropping by peacock. But see this making connection to Krishna. Krishna like these things. So this must be Krishna's things. Only remembering to that, she become romanch. Agre bich sikhanda khandam utkampam alambate. Tears coming, kamp coming, rolling, shouting, like this, no bhav coming. So Parikshit and Sukdev Goswami like that, full of bhav. And Parikshit Maharaj also like that. He also left everything and came to just hear Hari Katha. So he have no any attachment, he have no any attachment. He is also not arranging this Katha, hearing this Katha for something. Sukh sampati ghare aave kashta mite tanka. Or he also not speaking for that. He is speaking just give to real Sarup, real place. This Parikshit Maharaj asked, Sukdev Goswami asked, Tang Rajan Marisyati, after hearing my Katha, if you think I will die, then I think my Katha is useless. I not spoke Hari Katha. So I am asking you, what your feelings? After hearing Hari Katha, you will die or not? Because your big problem, a snake will come and bite you. So what do you think? He will finish you. He will kill you. Then Parikshit Maharaj said, who will kill me? By your Tattva Siddhanta Kathas I realized my Swarup is transcendental. This never affected anything. What kill, what burn, what destroy, that is, I am not that. Because he crossed me this all unearthas. When bhav level come like this, then no any material problems can this prakrit chobh hai, tare chobh nahi hai. This is called Shanti. In Chaitanya Charitamrita saying, in any material disturbance, not disturb. Like Bilva Mangal Thakur. He is broken his eyes, but he is not disturbed. When broken, then more he is crying or more shouting. He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvaneka. More is speaking Krishna's qualities. More intoxicated. More hunkar. Kam pulak, this all come. So Sukdev Goswami immediate manifest that Parikshit Maharaj assembly. Tatra bhavad bhagwan vyasa putro jadrichaya gamat manu anapecha alacha lingo nijalava tusto vritascha balir avadhuta besa. Tatra bhavat vyasa putro. Vyasanandan Sukdev Goswami manifest middle of that assembly. Came. His looks, no any cloth, no any desire, nijlava tusto, on self-satisfied. His Swarupas looking some ladies and some children, thinking he is some mad, some like this, very strange. So they also surrounding to him, try to understand who is he, what his nature, what he want, why he doing like that. But Sukdev Goswami very sober, no one can understand, because Vaishnavas, Mahabhagavat, who can understand who is he, what he want? Vaishnava Kriya Mudra Vigyane Bujhai. Big learned person failed to understand to Vaishnava. These small children or ordinary ladies, they try to understand Sukdev Maharaj assembly. At that time, all rishis stand up on doing pranam, on Parikshit Maharaj running, bringing asanas, on sit, Prabhu sit on pranam, on cleaning feet, on taking charnamrit, this everything, then they realize, run away, otherwise Parikshit beat to Maharaj, beat to us, because this personality is very great personality out of our understanding. We cannot understand who is he. But now can realize he is not ordinary. For whom Parikshit Maharaj stand up on this step, taking, giving respect, and all Rishi Muni giving respect. So he is the great personality. So that time Sukdev Goswami speaking Hari Katha, and Parikshit Maharaj all chobha, all disturbance destroy. This is nature of rati, bhav. Etan nirmananam istam akuto bhayam jogi nam nirtam harer namanu kirtanam. Hare Ram. So no anywhere fear. Kuto bhayam. Astam kuto bhayam. We no want anywhere fear, no want any disturb. Then this is the big things. Who are absorbed this Hari Nam, Hari Katha, then no fear, no disturb. Because our mind, our heart needs some Hari Nam is natural samadhi, or your samadhi, then what is going outside, who knows? Uddhav came, what Uddhav talking, not talking, Gopi knows so much understanding. But what Gopi telling, Uddhav too much absorbed. I have so much knowledge, but I have not this level, this stage. But they naturally love to Krishna, naturally meditation. Everywhere he see Krishna. I reading book and saying yes, Krishna is everywhere, but by vision not looking everywhere. But they're looking everywhere Krishna and Krishna and Krishna. So, like when we hear Hari Katha, Hari Nam, then fully absorb Samadhi. Then no more bhaya, no more fear, no more tension. Because saying you have so much tension, do meditation. But ordinary people don't know what to meditation. They're saying just anywhere your mind fit. This is not permanent solution. This temporary you can little come out that anxiety, but anxiety again attack to you. This is not going from root. But Hari Katha, Hari Nam, all problem taking from root. No more chob. A material chob, not chob, not disturb. Prakrit chobhe tar, chob nahi hai. So this is the Shanti. Like when Gokarna saw his father Atmadev too much disturbed, Dhundukari, beating and everything took from him. Then thinking, who won't disturb children? Would this much torture to father? Where I go, who take care of me? Then he came to Gokarna saying, you help me, what I to do? Too much disturbed. Then saying, don't worry, or don't attachment to anywhere these material things. Too much know this Katha spoken in Bhagavad Mahatma. People thinking, I am now in small position, this is no happy coming. I get big position, then more happy come. Ordinary public thinking, king is very happy. Or king thinking, I am take little area care, so I am not happy. Who are Mahachakravarti Samrat, like Amrish Maharaj, this type people very happy. Like king also know some areas king, some are no big area take care, many king under of him. In Prague. So Raja thinks like he is very happy, Maharaja, or Maharaja thinks Indra is very happy, Indra take care more area, or Indra thinking I am not so much because Brahma have more area. So Brahma thinking I am very, he is thinking Brahma is very happy. But actually anyone, even Shankar, anyone, if they not do bhajan, then no one happy. Without bhajan, all are unhappy. As much you can get, that is not satisfaction. Without bhav, without bhakti, all are shortage. But bhav, very powerful thing. Even a small ray of bhav, that is complete. If someone has many things, but he cannot control to Bhagwan, like Duryodhan, what he have no, what he have, क्या उसके पास क्या नहीं है? What he doesn't have. What does he no have? And how much is arrangement for Krishna satisfaction? How many items cook for him? More than Giriraj Govardhan pujas. Try to control him. But Krishna not controlled by that, because there are no mood, no bhav. This is just formality, no? And Vidur, just give skin of banana Viduranis. Sudama just give little rice. And Krishna controlled so tasty on how much return to him. Krishna said, how much you gave me, I have nothing to give you that much. Like Advaita Acharya Prabhu when giving to this Ganga water on Tulsi Dal, and reading one Purana slok, Tulsi Dal Matren Jalasya Chulukenva, Viknite Swatmanam Bhakte Bhyo Bhakta Vatsala. Bhagavan by bhakti selling to that person, that devotee. Only one leaves of Tulsi on one glass of Ganga water. Own self selling for him. Why? Because this water of Tulsi is power, but more power when Bhakta adding his bhav there. Or Bhagavan like to that bhav. भाव का भूखा हूं मैं, भाव ही बस सार है, भाव से मुझको भजे तो भव से बेड़ा पार है। अन्न धन और वस्त्र भूषण कुछ न मुझको चाहिए, भाव हो जाए मेरा यही सत्कार। मैनी थिंग गिविंग कृष्ण बट नो भाव, कृष्ण नॉट satisfied. But you have nothing, any small thing but with love. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं जो में भक्तया प्रजच्छति तद हम भक्त प्रतम अस्नामि प्रजतात्मन। कृष्ण saying leaves, flowers, patrang puspang phalam, fruits. If no diet, then just one glass of water. With love give me. I feel hungry, immediate take on it. No waiting. Asnami means diet time I am taking. When devotee is giving like this, I also taking like this. No waiting. But with love. Like Gopi is saying, Krishna, drink one glass of buttermilk. Or Krishna is saying, I am waiting for that. No, when he will offer. But you have to pay for that. What I pay? I saw in front mother is very sweet dancing. This dance one is showing to mother inside room, inside courtyard. We cannot go there, cannot watch because mother sometimes saying morning early coming disturbance, doing nothing, also no allowed, also disturb to my seva. So sometimes we cannot see your secret things, but hard hearing sometimes. So same dance, how dancing to mother, so to us. He also dancing then Krishna's okay. Krishna's not a small thing, but he become by love like one toy of Brajvasis, khilona. Why? Because there's so much affection. Or that time Krishna forgetting. Also Jogmaya that time not remind to Krishna you are Bhagavan. You are controller of everyone. So who can control to you? That time Krishna becoming Mugdha. He also thinking I am son of Nand Baba, my mother is Jasoda, I am ordinary goat boy, cowherd boy. So I have nothing to pay gopis. At this time if I like take from them to this buttermilk, then this is very cheap things, no? Don't give money, just little dance or you can get. Then Krishna saying, okay. He's starting to dance. Gopi no satisfied. I want some classical dance, some special dance. Then he's putting one hand here, one here, many varieties dancing. Why dancing? Because Gopi's bhav. Gopi's prema make to him dancer. Otherwise he make to everyone dance. When he's sitting and he like to show every person dance. We are dancing, no? Life and life. His Maya making us to dance. So here he is no in Sarupas, he no dancing. He is make to everyone dance and he are no enjoyer of dance. But prema always opposite. You like to enjoy, then you also have to both side love. You also do like that. You don't think I am bigger. Tumi kon bada log, tumi ami sam. This is Braja Prem different. You know bigger than me, you like me or no like less than me. Then this real prema, this madhurjas, madhurja rupa premas. So everyone think, I am, Maharaja thinks, Raja thinks Maharaja is very happy, Maharaja thinks Indra, Indra thinks Brahma, Brahma thinks Shankar, but actually who have no bhav, no bhaktis, then all are sad. Hari bhajan bina sab jiva dukhari. So Mahaprabhu very mercy, very kind to jivas. That no special property, what is jiva have, right, this thing is no open and telling what you need, what your right, and what you asking. Our right to this bhav, this bhakti, this seva. No gyan, jog, karma, this, that. Because that cannot our shortage finish. Our Demand not complete. Our shortage never go by that. Only this bhav, this ratis. Parikshit Maharaj, big proof. When he came, Sukdev, when Sukdev Goswami came to Parikshit Maharaj assembly, or when hearing Hari Katha, what he not got? This bhav bring to him that level, Saneh Man or this Brajas bhav level. And he returned to Golok Vrindavan. Virat Bhagavata Mirti in detail, Sanatan Goswami Pad this thing, all right. So Chanti, this like Gokarna speak to father, don't disturb her and just hear Hari Katha. Na sukham indrasya na sukham chakravarti na sukham asti munire kante jivi. मुचा ज्ञानम प्रजारूपम मोहतो नरके गति निपतसति देहोयम सर्वम त्यक्त्वा बनम ब्रज. Leave everything. Don't attach to his my child, his my wife, this family that. Saying this is one illusion, moha. We are sleeping that illusion night and too much looking dream. But dream is dream. When waking, then he sleeping one broken cot. One person sleeping on broken cot, and in dream he's looking, I become Indra. And I'm sitting in Swargas, in throne. And many apsaras are dancing, singing. And all, no Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Purandar, Jai Purandar, Jai Jaikar doing. But when he wake up, then he's so on broken cot. So dream is not real life. So illusion is like moh, maya is like that. So leave this, father, and just do Krishna bhajan. Leave this attachment of body, this sthul sarir. Dehi asthi mansa rudhir abhimatim tajatvam jaya suta disus सदा ममताम विमुंच पश्या निशम जगदिदम क्षणभंग निष्ठम वैराग राग रसिको भव भक्ति निष्ठ धर्मम भजस्व सततम तजलोक धर्मान सेवस्व साधु पुरुषान जहि काम तृष्णाम अन्यस्य गुण दोष चिंतन मासु मुक्त्वा सेवा कथा रसमोह नितराम पीवत्वम. This body made by blood, meat, bones, inside so much stool, urine. This is like one bag. Inside this all fill up. Outside we are cleaning nicely and thinking this is good. But as much clean this is no. Chan bhangur, destroy. When which breed not come, who know? Anytime stop. This is not any believable, not trustful. Chan bhangur jivan kalika kalaprat jane khili na khili. Tomorrow morning waking or not waking, who know? Morning breathe, maybe tomorrow get or not get, don't know. शीतल मंद सुगंध छन भंगुर जीवन कलिका कल प्रात जाने खिली न खिली मलया चल के शीतल मंद सुगंध समीर मिली न मिली. कलिकाल कुठार लिए फिरता तन नम्र से चोट झिली न झिली. अरे हरि नाम कहले रसना फिर अंत समय हिली न हिली. Kalikal is no always ready to kill because Kaljug knows so much age. In more Kaljug when progress, then Jiva's life become 5-7 years. Goswami Tulsidas is saying, Lagu Jivan Sambat Panchadasa Kalpanta Nanasa Gumana Asa. In Kaljug, Ghor Kaljug, Jiva's life become 5-10 years. But pride, I will live one kalpa or more than kalpa. This type pride. So Kaljug, no any one slap, any one problem, Hari Bol. So tan namra se chot, our body is so soft. On one heat, stop or not stop, tolerate or not tolerate, who know? This cause always Harikatha, Sadhu Sang, this as much our life have, follow to do. Do to that. Vishnu Bhakti staying 5-10 days, okay. But without Bhakti, 100 years, 1000 years, useless. Baram Vishnu Bhakta sa Jivatam Panch Dinani Channa Varsa Sahasrani Bhakti na sake sabe. So Pitaji, this all attachment stopped and go to forest, shelter to Bhagavatam, read 10th canto, do sadhu seva, dharmam bhajasvattaja loka dharmam seva so sadhu purusan, and all desire, kam trishna, destroy, leave. Because desire never fulfill. Or more desire, more circle, or more circle, then more problem to come out, like a spider. As much making, that much is running, and no come out. One katha, no, one elephant, one bee, honey bee. What called honey bee, no? Or maybe bumblebee. He is sitting on lotus, and sun setting, lotus also closed. He also inside, could not come out. But he is very strong. He can make whole hard wood, no? What is one petal of lotus to cut? Very easily can cut or come out. But he inside intoxicated, flat, drinking that nectar and thinking, tomorrow I will go out. Because again sunrise, so why night time go here there in dark? Just stay in and too much enjoy, and he's starting to singing. Too much drink, then singing, intoxicate. Ratrir gamishyati, night will go, morning will come. Ratri gamishyati bhavishyati suprabhatam. And when morning come, then sun will rise. When sun rise, then lotus open, hasisati pankaj sri. Then I will go out. So I got long time. But he just thinks. Moving to inside, feet and practically got success. So we also many plan doing this happened, that happened, this enjoy come, this happiness come. But time is like that. So Vairag Rag Rasiko Bhava Bhakti Nishtha. Take Vairagya, be Vairagya. Attach this attachment on be Bhakti Ras, Rasik. We no like to this. These two things cannot be one. our no want anything, they just want to Krishna. वे भावे हृदय भावने भाव and this suffer stop. Just भाव भक्ति से. One second. We will engage भाग्यस्थ बन. रस की रसीली की समा रे रे वृंद शोभा नहीं समा के और को दे सखी सा माँ धुरी जोड़ी धुरी हरे कृष्ण राम कृष्णा कृष्णा राम ना हरे बोल हरि सचिनंदन श्री गुरुदेव।